Using CC Khalida effect, we can create beautiful textures and animated backgrounds. Let's take a look at how to do it. First, create a new composition like this and import any image, any boring image you like into the After Effects. Then drag and drop this image to the composition and resize it to fit into the composition like this. Then go to the effect and preset and search for CC Khalida effect. CC Khalida. You can select the layer and double click on this Khalida effect. Now we have applied the CC Khalida effect to this layer. Let's explore the effect parameters and see how we can fine-tune this pattern. Here you can see first option center. Center means which part of the image is sampled for this effect. Currently it is set to this point. You can click on this icon and you can move this center point to any location to sample different areas in your image like this. Here you can see the size parameter. That means we can increase the area that we sampled. When you change the size, you can increase the pattern design or you can decrease this value. Also, you have see this mirroring option. By default, it is set to flower, and you can change this mirror option to any other parameter in order to get different result. Also, you can rotate the sample area using this rotation values. When you rotate your sample area, as you can see, you can get different styles. Also, you can turn on the floating center by clicking on this button. You can adjust these parameters with different images in order to get different kind of results. Now let's take a look at how can we create animated background. Now if you move the timeline current time indicator, you can see that nothing is moving. In order to animate the background, you can animate any of these properties like rotation, or you can animate also scale, or you can also animate the center point. So in this case, let's animate the rotation value. You can click on this stopwatch icon to turn on keyframe animation. Select the layer and press U on your keyboard. It will expand the rotation parameter in this layer. Now set the value at this point 0. You can type 0 and move the current time indicator to 3 seconds or whatever time you like, and change the rotation value to something else. Let's try 300 and hit enter. Now when you play this, you can see we have animated the background like this. Now we can see we can get a very beautiful animation like this. You can experiment by animating multiple parameters or animating different parameters like this. Also, you can use expressions to animate these parameters if you know how to use expressions. Import different images, video clips into After Effects and experiment applying the CC Khalida effect. If you want these kind of tutorials, please subscribe to Adobe Rider and I'll be back with the next video tutorial.